Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech. Today we will compare Notion and Smartsheet. Both help you to manage projects, but they work in a very different way. In this video, I will explain what each one does, what new this year coming, and I will help you to decide which one is better option for you. Also, you can check the description. I will added the links of the Notion and Smartsheet, and you will find some updated information if anything changes later. So check that out. So let's start with Notion. Notion is like a blank canvas where you can create pages, database, task board, calendars, and documents all in one place. And in this year, Notion added better AI writing and project templates for teams. The AI can help you to summarize notes, create task lists from meeting text, or even draft a project outline. Notion is very flexible. You can build your own system from scratch, or you can use a template and you can just customize it. It is a great tool for teams who just want one space for note, tasks, and documents together. Now, Smartsheet is more like a spreadsheet mixed with project management. It looks like a sheet, but you can add Gantt chart, calendar, forms, and dashboards. In this year, Smartsheet improved its automation and reporting. You can now set complex workflows that can send alerts, move tasks between sheets, or update the dashboard automatically. It's strong for large projects where you need clear timelines, resource tracking, and status updates. So the main difference is flexibility versus structure. Notion is flexible. You can create your own system, mix different views, and connect notes and tasks. Smartsheet is structured. It's designed for tracking project with deadline, dependency, and resources, and it's easy to see progress in a traditional project management style. Both tools also improve the integration with other platforms. Notion connects very well with Slack, Google Drive, and GitHub. Other side, Smartsheet connect with Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and many enterprise tools. So this makes them fit in different work environment. So if you want a creative space to build your own workflow and keep everything in one place, Notion is great. If you want a structured project tracker with powerful reporting and automation, then Smartsheet is a strong choice for you. So this was the video. Now I hope you understand the difference between Notion and Smartsheet. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.